Alright, so I'm going to show you how to set up and start a project with the Mala Controller app. So let's go ahead and make sure our hotspot is turned on. You can get to that by swiping down from the top right. You also want to make sure your Wi-Fi is off. Bluetooth doesn't matter. You need to make sure your Wi-Fi is off, and then we'll go ahead and open the app. By now you should have also already turned on the unit. So make sure you turn on the power button for the unit. The battery should be charged, all that kind of good stuff. And then wait for this to open up. So now you see in the bottom left-hand corner is a little red circle with a line through it. It's not connected to the unit yet, so we're going to go ahead and give that some time, make sure it hooks up. Alright, so now that everything's hooked up, we're going to go in and check the settings. You shouldn't have to worry about checking the settings each time. You just want to make sure the settings are set right when you guys do start a project. So it should be in distance. You should be using the wheel 30 centimeter, trace interval of 1, the automatic 0 level set to automatic, internal GPS, and then all the stuff for the display should stay the same. So now that everything's hooked up, you see it says Easy Locator Core. This should say GX750. And I have 2 battery indicators, but there should only be 1 here. You're going to go ahead and click 2D Project. You're going to name this whatever you want to name it. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. After you start the project, it's going to say creating a new project. Now you should be in where the project is. You can go ahead and check to make sure your GPS is active, but it should be. If it says GPS down here in the bottom left-hand corner, the positioning should be relevant. And then go ahead and click the start button. Now you want to just collect the data from the track. Don't mind while my data looks so bad right outside. So go ahead and complete the length of the track. And then once you get to the end, you can go ahead and click stop. And then that should be all you have to do within the app. So let me show you the next step, which is taking the data off of this and putting it onto Malavision. So now I'm back where I would have Wi-Fi. You could have exited out of this in the meantime, but now we're going to go ahead and disconnect from the unit. Go to Wi-Fi, and then you're going to click Malavision, Export Project Malavision, and then click the latest project. And go ahead and log into Malavision. Then it's going to go ahead and upload these files, and that's all you should have to do.